list. Linked list is another type of data structure. So it is not LIFO, that is last in first out. It is as per need. So it is not even LIFO, not FIFO. It is as per need. It is dynamic and linear structure. Collection of nodes interlinked via next, reference or address to each other. So in this data structure, collection of nodes interlinked via next or reference address to each other. It is used in dynamic scheduling, then it is used in navigation in web browsing, and it is used in hyperlink and polynomial addition. So scheduling is one of the applications of linked list. Then it is used in navigation in web browsing. That means it is used for web browsing. Then it is used for hyperlinks. Now in web browsing, for navigation, for going to next site then previous site, it is used for that. Now it is used for hyperlinks. That means on a website we have different links. So after clicking on that link we go to another web page. So these are hyperlinks. Now polynomial addition. So polynomial equations can be solved using linked list. Now tree is one of the data structures. Tree has root, then branches and leaf nodes. Now application of tree. It is used for search and sort algorithm, hierarchical storage, autocomplete and correct, which is specialized trees are also called as tries. Now so search and sort is algorithm. So it basically searches in a given data, then sorts given data. Now hierarchical storage is used in trees. Now autocomplete and autocorrection, it is used for that. Now specialized tree are called as tries. Now expression evaluation and conversion, it is used for that. Then business intelligence and state space tree and game tree. Graph is used in real life applications. It is non-linear. Then graph has collection of nodes interlinked with its edges. So it has search, then sources, destination, path.